Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polkadot. Gavin Wood made multi-chain NFTs a reality on Polkadot and Kusama. Polkadot and Kusama have become the first blockchains to enable multi-chain NFTs, following a key update to its consensus mechanism. The update, which enables support for NFTs on the cross-consensus message format, XCM, will make it possible for all be launched on Polkadot's ecosystem, which will happen once they've proven their capabilities. What is Parallel Finance? Parallel Finance is a decentralized money market protocol that offers lending, staking, and borrowing in the Polkadot ecosystem. It's aiming to give investors a way to unlock illiquid DOT tokens that must be staked for a 2-year period to secure a Polkadot parachain. In fact, the project combines not one but 3 separate protocols, with the others being a staking derivative protocol that tokenizes native DOT tokens, and an undercollateralized lending market that's designed to provide capital for parachain auctions. Vitalik Buterin suspected there may have been a hack. On Saturday, Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation confirmed to CoinMarketCap that the messages were genuine and its communications were secure. It said, "We are trying to contribute to Ukraine's victory and raise the awareness of international society on what's happening in Ukraine. We will use the funds in the most efficient way to destroy as many Russian soldiers as we can. Truth is ours. We can fight this evil only together." Details are sketchy when it comes to the airdrop that Ukraine has proposed, but Deputy Prime Minister Mikhailo Fedorov is expected to provide further information through his Twitter account soon. A snapshot of all donors is set to be taken on March 3rd at 6 p.m. Kyiv time, with a reward to follow. This has sparked a flurry of crypto donations in recent hours. The next news, Just-in Crypto Exchange scraps fee charges for Ukrainian customers. More goodwill continues to pour in as crypto market participants have expressed support for Ukraine. Local Bitcoins, a leading global peer-to-peer Bitcoin marketplace, has said that it stands with Ukraine in the trying time the country is going through. Crypto exchange Local Bitcoin supports Ukraine to show T are also being converted into the likes of BTC and USDT, which are better known and more widely accepted. Gavin Wood sparks controversy. A number of high-profile entrepreneurs and developers have offered their assistance to Ukraine. Polkadot's founder Gavin Wood had pledged to make a $5 million donation to the country if it posted a DOT address where contributions could be made. Some had accused him of attempting to advertise his platform and asked why Wood couldn't just convert his donation to BTC or ETH instead. Ukraine had initially announced it planned to accept BTC, ETH and USDT over the weekend. Crypto addresses where donations could be sent were posted on the country's official Twitter account. XCM will make it possible for the non-fungible tokens to be teleported from one chain to another and then tracked across chains. Polkadot announced the update via Twitter and discussed the technical specifics in a post on GitHub. The Polkadot blockchain is ideally suited to implement such a capability, as its whole premise is to solve the problem of a lack of interoperability among blockchains. Polkadot is an extensive network that comprises not only its main blockchain but also paired chains, of which there will eventually be 100. The paired chains all support different use cases and protocols, and run in parallel with the main Polkadot chain, with the key advantage being that it's possible to transfer any asset, token or data between them. Kusama, meanwhile, is a public pre-production environment for Polkadot that allows developers to experiment and test new blockchains or applications before releasing them on the network. Like Polkadot, Kusama also has many paired chains. XCM is a format that describes how messages between chains should be performed. It's designed to be a common language for communicating between different consensus mechanisms, wherein all of the data on a message transfer is sent through Polkadot's or Kusama's relay chain. Doing this allows every paired chain on those networks to verify those messages, enabling XCM to expedite trusted communications between any 2 paired chains. By adding support for NFTs on XCM, Polkadot and Kusama have essentially created the concept of multi-chain NFTs that can live on any blockchain within their respective networks. It could pave the way for NFTs to play a far more prominent role in business transactions, with the tokens used as payment or to represent an order or something else. It will also allow NFT holders to better leverage their tokens, for example by borrowing capital from a DeFi platform production environment of the main Polkadot chain. They mark the realization of Haiko's vision as an integrated DeFi pair chain, with each one being naturally interoperable and efficient, thanks to the functionality of the substrate chain that underlies them, Parallel Finance said. Later, the new products will all be launched on Polkadot's ecosystem, which will happen once they've proven their capabilities. What is Parallel Finance? Parallel Finance is a decentralized money market protocol that offers lending, staking, and borrowing in the Polkadot ecosystem. It's aiming to give investors a way to unlock illiquid DOT tokens that must be staked for a 2-year period to secure a Polkadot pair chain. In fact, the project combines not one, but 3 separate protocols, with the others being a staking derivative protocol that tokenizes native DOT tokens, and an undercollateralized lending market that's designed to provide capital for pair chain auctions. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot DOT a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot DOT prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot End 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.